Gentlemen, this is the shirt you've been calling for. Now, if you don't want to look like a hot mess this summer, you want a nice dressy shirt that you're not going to sweat and have it stick to you, this is COOFANDY's Super Dress Shirt. Now, this is a polyester spandex blend, and I want to tell you, if you're looking for what ladies want, this is a sharp looking shirt. I think you'll be very impressed. And ladies, if you're shopping for the guys, this is a winner to help them find great clothes if they're not taking the time to do it themselves. Now, this is a super soft fabric. Look at this. Now, what I love about this is you can crumple it up, travel in it, wear it right out of a suitcase, and it's gonna look great. Now, this is a micro dot. Now, look how sharp this looks from a distance. It is super short. It just grabs your eye. There's something about this shirt that makes you wanna look closer. And when you see the micro dot, it gives that solid color a little something special. It's perfect for meeting super sharp at a dress event like a summer wedding. Now, it's really nice even at the beach because it's so soft and casual to wear when you're traveling. Now, it comes in about 20 different colors and they're all really great. There's some really nice kind of herringbone looking patterns and some plaids and some more solid colors. And there's a white micro dot that is so handsome. I think you'll really like it. Now, it has a super open front here with a full button down and a pocket that just aligns perfectly with the pattern there, which I really like. Comes with an extra button. It's really easy to quick dry fabric wash, and I think you will love it. Love the curved hem at the bottom, and it sits nicely on the hips. Now, like and follow us for more from this great brand, and this was provided for me to share with you, and I highly recommend it.